Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to give access to Facebook page. So first, you just have to open your Facebook, click your profile and switch to your page. Okay, so you have to scroll down here, tap your page, and you will see here that you are now switching to your page. Now, once you're here, what you're going to do is you have to click this three lines and you have to go to your profile. Okay, so tap this three lines, go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and then you have to click this three dots beside advertise. And then here you have to click this page status right here. So once you're here, you have to click this page status. And then once you tap this page status, and then you will see here options. Now you have to look for more about your page and tap this manage admins. And here you can see people with Facebook access. All you have to do is to click this add new right here, or you can tap this people with task access. Now we have to click the first one and then tap next. So once you tap this one, what you're going to do is to simply search that person's username or that person's Facebook. So you have to make sure that the name or the username is correct. Once you found that person, all you have to do is to click his or her name. So let me add Andy Brooke here. So with Facebook Access, Andy Brooke can manage the following content, messages, calls, community activity, ads, and sites. So allow this person to have full access control. You can toggle this one on and then tap this give access. Then after that, that person will be notified that you have given him or her the access to your page, and all he has to do or she has to do is to accept it, and that's it. So that's how simple it is to give access to Facebook page. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.